Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain HTML format. In like whole HTML I will explain. So first of all I will show you what I will explain. Just let yeah. So if I will like shift and one and then press it enter, so it will come this format. Okay. So I will explain whole of the structure of the HTML. Okay. So in that HTML format refers to the structure and syntax used to write HTML. Like full form of HTML, like a hypertext markup language, which is the standard language for creating web pages. It defines the content and structure of a web page using text. So HTML format refers to the structure and syntax used to write HTML, which is the standard language for creating web pages, and it defines the content and structure of a web page using text. Okay, so that is the HTML format, and this is like basic structure of HTML. Okay, so first of all I will explain like in line number one, like doctype HTML. You know about doctype HTML? If you don't know, so you can watch my previous video, which I already declare uh, explain in that like what is doctype HTML. But doctype HTML is a declare the document type and HTML version. Okay, and the next is HTML. So HTML, it is the root element of an HTML document, right? And the head. See, head. Head is the contain meta information like title and cassette links to CSS or JS. Okay, and the title. See, title. Title shown in the browser tab. Okay, it is like if I will change the title is, so let's suppose HTML. Okay, and then I will add one more H1 tag and then let's say hello world. And if I will run, so you can see it is so the shown in the browser tab. Yeah. See, here it is showing HTML, right? So that is the work of title. And then next is body. Body, it's like contain the it is contains the content visible on the web page. Okay, and the next is like we are using text. You know about the text, like markup elements like h1 tag. Here I am using h1 tag, p and anchor tag and etc. It's defined structure and content. Okay, and the and also we are writing for like link for like import the css, so it is for using the import for css. And then and we are it is like we can use for like I already tell like about the meta. It is like meta So meta is related to info about the page, example character encoding, author and view code. Okay. And the title, I already tell the title shown in the browser tab. And here I am using, like in that, you know about script tag. Why we are using script tag? Script src. We are using script tag because like link to JS file. That's why we are using script tag for loads JavaScript files. So that is the HTML format. And now I will explain why we use, like why we use HTML format. So we use HTML hypertext markup language to create the structure and content of web page. So first of all, it is why, right? This 30. So why? First is like defines web page structure. So define web page structure means HTML organizes content into headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, links, images, etc. using text. And then it is displays, and the second is displays content in browsers. So in that, browsers read HTML code and render it into a visual web page for users. And the third is supports multimedia. Supports multimedia. So in that you can like embed images, audio, video and interactive form using HTML. I already explained audio video. So if you don't know what is the use of like audio and video tag, so you can watch my previous video. In that I was explained. Okay. And then next is works with CSS and JavaScript. So CSS styles the HTML content. Okay, and the JavaScript makes it interactive. And the next is foundation of all websites. So every website on the internet uses HTML in some form. It is the backbone of web development. So that is the use of HTML format. I hope you understood how we can use HTML format and what is HTML format and why we use. Okay, if you have any doubt, so you can comment down. And that's all about this video. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.